Imagine a world where the sleek aerodynamic designs of supercars first come to life, not in steel and chrome, but in clay. Yes, you heard it right, clay, the humble material that has been used for centuries to create everything from pottery to sculptures, is the same material used to birth the initial designs of some of the world's most iconic supercars. Welcome to the fascinating world of clay modeling in the automobile industry, a process that is as much an art as it is a science. The first step in this process is the creation of a blueprint. Designers pore over sketches and computer renderings, refining and tweaking until they have a design that is both aesthetically pleasing and aerodynamically sound. Once the blueprint is finalized, it's time to move on to the clay. A rough shape of the car is first crafted out of industrial clay, a material that is malleable enough to be shaped and reshaped numerous times, but also hard enough to maintain its form once molded. The clay model is then carefully refined. Sculptors use a variety of tools, from wooden spatulas to metal loops, to carve out the intricate details of the car's design. This stage of the process is incredibly labor-intensive and requires a keen eye for detail and a deep understanding of the car's design. Once the clay model is finished, it is coated with a thin layer of a substance called dye-knock, which gives the model a glossy metallic finish that mimics the look of a real car. This allows designers to see how the car's design will look in real life and make any necessary adjustments. The final stage in the process is the creation of a fiberglass mold of the clay model. This mold is then used to create the final product, a full-scale, realistic model of the car that can be showcased at car shows and used for promotional materials. So there you have it, the journey from blueprint to clay model to final product. A process that combines the creativity of art with the precision of engineering. To recap, the process of creating a clay model of a supercar involves several key steps. First, designers create a blueprint of the car's design. Then, a rough shape of the car is crafted out of clay, which is then carefully refined to match the car's design. Once the clay model is finished, it is coated with dye-knock to give it a glossy, metallic finish. Finally, a fiberglass mold is created from the clay model, which is then used to create the final product. Remember, behind every sleek aerodynamic supercar, there's a humble lump of clay that started it all. Thanks for tuning in.